Hi everyone, we're filming from Palm Desert, California. Isn't it beautiful here? For that, it's going to go ahead and get down flat on the ground, face down. Make sure you roll a towel about two inches thick so that it's laying directly under your forehead. It gives you room to breathe. Okay, arms flat, chest flat, everything lined up. Push your right pelvis towards the ground. Bring your heel towards your buttock muscle. Line it up together. Squeeze your buttock muscle tightly so that your knee barely comes off the ground. For 3 counts, 2, 3. Hold it at the peak of tension for 3 counts, 2, 3, and release it slowly over 3 counts, 2, 3. So here we have regular walking gait. Go ahead. So your arms are swinging nicely. The hands should go in front of the body and then behind the body. In front of the body and then behind the body. And this is how most people walk. Now, if you really want to strengthen your glute muscles and hamstrings, what I suggest you do is to change your gait pattern so that you're taking longer strides. The longer the strides are, the more you're able to pump your hamstrings and glute muscles because you're able to bring your knee further away from the midline, from your core. So you're challenging your buttock muscles and your hamstring muscles. Okay, take even longer strides, Claudette, and really pump your glute muscles to push you forward. You're not pulling yourself forward, you're actually pushing yourself forward.